Hi, I'm Sasha. Today I'm going to be unboxing my new Walmart Beauty Box. Walmart Beauty Box is a seasonal subscription. Basically, you just pay for shipping and then they mail you samples 4 times a year. It costs $5 every season. I have no idea what's inside this one. I haven't seen any spoilers or anything. First, we have a Color Club nail lacquer. It doesn't seem to have a shade name, but it says it's 1074. It looks like kind of a navy blue color. I'm gonna go ahead and try one out just to see what it's like. Wow, this is really pretty. I actually like blue colors a lot, I just don't really have one right now. So hopefully this gives you kind of an idea. It's a beautiful deep navy blue tone. I'm gonna go wipe this off real quick. I actually don't have a color like this, and I think it's a really beautiful kind of deep sapphire tone. Next we have the Colgate Optic white toothpaste. I can always use little travel size toothpaste, especially when I travel. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit on my hand just so we can see what it's like. Looks like a nice sort of white paste texture. It has a really nice kind of minty fresh smell. It looks like it's made with 3% hydrogen peroxide to help whiten your teeth. On the packaging they claim that it will remove 10 years of yellow stains. I'm pretty happy with the toothpaste I'm using, so I'll probably just save this for travel, but it's always fun to try new ones. If you're enjoying this video, please like or consider subscribing. I post new beauty videos every Tuesday and Thursday at 10 a.m. Central. I'd love to see you there. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be the first to watch my new videos. Oh, I think we have some makeup. Looks like it might be a set of something. Oh cool, looks like a lip product. All right, let's check this out. I'm really excited because this is from NYX and they're a cruelty-free brand. These are really nice colors. I'm so excited about this. So it looks like we have a soft matte lip cream and a soft metallic lip cream. So this one is the soft matte lip cream and this one is the soft metallic lip cream. They're both in the shade California, which looks like a beautiful rose shade. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe off my lipstick so I can test these out. So first I'm gonna try the soft matte lip cream. This has a really nice lightweight texture. It also seems to have a nice kind of sugary smell too. Wow, that is such a pretty shade. I feel like this is kind of a Your Lips But Better shade for me. It adds a little bit of warmth and color, but it's not like too dark. I feel like it's just a really pretty kind of natural shade. The formula also feels really good on my lips. It's nice and lightweight. It doesn't seem to be settling into the lines of my lips too much. It just seems to look really nice and soft. I could probably just keep this one on, but I want to try the metallic one as well. So let's wipe this one off really quickly. So now I'm going to try the soft metallic lip cream. This one is also in the shade California. That's pretty. I can definitely see that shimmer in it. It's not like a chunky glitter, it's just a really pretty kind of metallic shimmer. It's kind of interesting. This one actually looks a little bit more red, I think, than the matte one. It's a really beautiful metallic shade though. This is a really interesting formula because it's got that beautiful metallic shimmer, but it's kind of got the lightweight feel of a matte. It doesn't feel sticky or anything. I really like this color. I think it's a great fit for me. I'm so excited to see both of these in the Walmart Beauty Box. These are $6.50 a piece and I only paid $5 for the entire box. So this basically paid for the entire box for me. I love trying out new drugstore products, especially from cruelty-free brands like NYX. So I'm so excited about these. These lip colors are definitely a win for me, and this alone may be the reason I stay subscribed. Next we have the Curel Dry Skin Therapy Hydra Silk Moisturizer. I'm gonna go ahead and try a little of this out on my hand. It's got a nice creamy white texture. Go ahead and rub that in. Seems to have a very light citrus scent to it. According to the ingredients, there's a bit of orange peel oil. This seems to be absorbing quickly and leaves my skin feeling nice and hydrated. I have quite a few body lotions on hand that I got from Ipsy and other places. I don't know how soon I'll get to this. This one seems pretty gentle. I'll probably be able to use it on my elbows or hands at night. Last but not least, there's a really large packet set of the Herbal Essences Birch Bark Extract Shampoo and Conditioner. I actually got this in my last Walmart Beauty Box, so it's kind of interesting that they sent it again. I haven't had a chance to try the last one yet, but now I have two, so I'll probably be using this for a while. I haven't used Herbal Essences shampoo and conditioner before, but I remember them always advertising it smelling really good, so I'm curious to see how it smells. I'll probably be testing this out in the near future. So that's it for this Walmart Beauty Box. I'd love to know if there are any products from Walmart or another drugstore that you're enjoying right now. Please leave a comment below and let me know. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.